If your Epic Games launcher is showing error code 0, freezing on startup, or refusing to open properly, this video is going to walk you through 3 quick fixes that often solve the problem fast. We'll start by closing any stuck background processes, then we'll change a few launcher settings to give it the permissions it needs, and finally, we'll repair the installation through Control Panel. These steps are simple, safe, and can help when the launcher is glitching silently in the background without showing a proper window. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy PC fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see all running processes clearly. Once you're in the Processes tab, look carefully for anything named Epic Games Launcher or Epic Web Helper. These processes can sometimes stay active in the background, even when the launcher looks closed. And that can stop a fresh window from loading correctly. Right-click each Epic process you find and select End Task. If you see more than one instance, end them all. This clears out the stuck launcher session and gives you a clean start. After that, close Task Manager and try opening Epic Games Launcher again to see if the issue is gone. If it still doesn't open properly, move on to the next fix. Right-click your Epic Games Launcher desktop shortcut and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Disable Fullscreen Optimizations. Then check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. These two options can help bypass system restrictions that sometimes block the launcher from loading correctly or freeze its startup process. After selecting both options, click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. Now launch Epic Games Launcher again and check whether it opens normally. If the error is still there, don't worry, because we still have one more powerful repair step to try. Press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and open it. In Control Panel, go to Programs, then click Programs and Features. This will show you a full list of installed desktop applications. Scroll through the list and find Epic Games Launcher. Right-click it and choose Repair. If you don't see Repair directly, click Change instead, and then look for the Repair option in the wizard. Windows will now start an automated repair process that checks for missing or damaged program files and fixes them for you. Let the wizard finish completely and do not interrupt it while it runs. Once the repair is done, restart your computer for the best results. After your PC boots back up, open Epic Games Launcher one more time and test it again. In many cases, this combination of ending background processes, changing compatibility settings, and repairing the installation is enough to fix Epic Games error code 0 and get the launcher working again. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming tech fixes, troubleshooting guides, and PC tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.